Hi, today is already October 2025. We have another 4 months before 2026, before the Energy Efficiency and Conservation Act to be fully enforced for energy consumers. According to Energy Commission, the notice for compliance will be issued from January until April 2026. So from the notice that you receive, you have to appoint your energy manager, and then you have to conduct energy audit, and then another one is you have to develop energy management system and implement the system. Okay, have you prepared? If you are an energy consumer consuming energy, electrical and thermal over 21,600 gigajoule of energy per year from January until December 2025, you'll be affected. So have you prepared? Have you prepared to comply to the EECA 2024? Okay, you may need help. So this is where we at Green Pacer, me and my team, can help you. How? Okay, as a start, we can conduct the training for your personnel, for your registered energy manager, for your energy manager, and also for your energy management committee members or potential members of your committee on the training on how to develop and implement energy management system. It will be a 2 days training, comprehensive training with lecture and practical exercises, where we will require you to bring your own energy data from your plant or from your building to be used during the training. So the training basically will guide you step by step on how to develop the system, energy management system, how to implement the system according to the guidelines on energy management system under the Act EECA 2024. That's one way we can help you through training, either in-house training or public training. You can come for our public training in Shah Alam. You can look to the website to know the dates. Our website zaini4ee.com, zaini4ee.com, and you can invite us to conduct in-house training for you. In-house or public training, the trainings program is HRD Corp claimable 100%. The second way we can help you is through our consultancy service, where we can help you through our team of consultants to guide you step by step on how to develop the system, implement the system, how to check the system, how to document information and data. We have the team who can develop you the energy management system manual, the required standard operating procedures or work instruction. And also the special one is we have the proven ENMS tool, where we have improvised the spreadsheet, one centralized spreadsheet developed by United Nations Industrial Development Organization, UNIDO. Okay, we have improvised it to make your energy management system information and data all only into one file, Microsoft Excel file, one-stop center of your energy management system information and data that can be used throughout your implementation, that can be used to collect your data, the place to analyze your data, the place to visualize your data, and also can be used for the audit purposes, certification audit, compliance audit, and also for management reporting purposes. all can be extracted from there. And also, all information and data from the spreadsheet, centralized spreadsheet, can be used as well for the reporting that will be required under the ECA, which is on yearly basis. So that's two ways we can help you through energy management system training, advanced training, in-house or public training, or through our consultancy services. Consulting services, service with our team of consultant to go to your site to guide you step by step. Okay, how long does it take for a consultant to help you? I can say easily range from 6 to 8 months if you're starting from zero. Because developing a system, our spirit of service basically, we want to build your capacity, okay, your personnel on how to develop the system. So they will experience the development of the system by themselves through our guidance, and later we can hand over the system to them and they can sustain and improve the system implementation. So there are two ways we can help you: training, okay, and also consultancy on energy management system development and implementation based on the guidelines on the energy management system by the ACTA, by the Act, and also follow the requirement of the ISO 50001, ISO 50001. Basically, from our experience, okay, when we look into the guidelines, if you follow exactly the guidelines, basically you are ISO 50001 or ISO 50001, you are certification ready. Okay, you are certification ready. So how to reach us? Just go to our website, okay, zaini4ee.com. Thank you very much. We hope to see you.